Are you in need of a reliable dumpster rental in Jackson Township, New Jersey? Look no further. Welcome to Alco Disposal, your trusted partner for all your waste management needs. We understand the importance of keeping your property clean and clutter-free. That's why we provide top-notch dumpster rental services tailored to your requirements. Whether you're tackling a home renovation project, a construction site, or need to declutter your space, our range of dumpsters has got you covered. Renting a dumpster with Alco Disposal is easy and hassle-free. Our user-friendly website allows you to select the right dumpster size, choose your rental period, and even schedule delivery with just a few clicks. It's that simple. We take pride in our punctuality and reliability. When you rent a dumpster from Alco Disposal, you can trust us to deliver it on time every time. We believe in providing quality service at affordable rates. You'll find some of the most competitive prices for dumpster rental in Jackson Township, New Jersey. Don't let waste clutter your life. Choose Alco Disposal for dumpster rental in Jackson Township, New Jersey. Visit our website at www.alcodisposal.com or call 732-349-5658 today. Alco Disposal, your trusted partner for a cleaner, clutter-free environment. Contact us now and experience the difference.